Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam, and in this 38th video of our FreeCAD series. In this video, we're going to cover not one, not two, but three sketcher commands, which are trim edge, split edge, and extend edge. And as you can see my screen, I am already in Sketcher environment and have created this weird looking entity, which here you can see is not even closed. So let's say, for example, I really want all these entities to be trimmed within the inner area except one. Okay. Now, for example, here I do not want this entity upper side. So what I can do here is I can go on the top and can select trim edge. And now if I select this particular part, you can see that the upper part of entity got trimmed. Similarly, I can do with this, and in this particular case, let's say I do not want the inner part, so I'm gonna delete the inner part. Okay. And there we go. So this kind of shows how easy it is to create trim inside FreeCAD. Now let me also give you some more example here. Let's say I would like to delete this arc also. I mean, till now I only have showed you how to delete line segment. So that was a small example of how we can delete line segments. Now let me also show you one more thing. It's not like the trim tool can only work with line segment, but also with arcs as well. For example, if I want to delete this arc, I can simply do that with trim tool. So here what you can see, not only we deleted the line segment, but you also can delete the arc. Now let me show you one more capability of trim edge before we proceed toward the next one. It's not like always you need to select one by one. You can simply press your left mouse button and take your mouse over all those entities. Now let's talk about our tool number second, which is split edge. And as the name suggests, it helps you to split the edges. For example, here this line segment looks single. If I use the second tool, which is split edge, it's going to help me out to split you into two. And similarly with LinkedIn as well. So that's how guys we can split bigger or larger line segment into smaller one, which of course you can see by hovering your mouse over it. And here we can see we not only have created further breakdown of line segment, but that is also true with arcs as well. Now let's talk about the last one, which is extend edge. And for that again, probably I need to add some line segment here and there. Yeah, let's say like this. Now let me select the option of extend edge. So as soon as you select the option of extend edge and you find that there are two non-parallel lines are there, which is going to meet at certain point, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the original entity that I would like to extend, and then I'm going to say till here. And there we go. Here we can see how easy it was to extend. And now again I can go here and can use the trim tool, and from here I can delete those extra. So in this way guys, we just saw how easy it is to trim, split and extend inside FreeCAD. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.